Hello friends and welcome back. I finished the owl house last year by filling it up with a 10 centimeter layer of sawdust from my chainsaw. I found what I believed would be a suitable place for it at the time, cleared off some dead branches and fastened it to the tree. After reading more, it is recommended to have the owl house placed more than 100 meters away from houses and a bit away from paths. Dogs might be considered a threat for owls and they might choose to attack to defend their offspring.
So here you can see how I set it up, 4 or 5 meters up in the tree and close to the forest in the background. And on the other side here we have unimpeded view of my property. Yeah, and you can see a little rat hole right here, so the owl is probably not gonna go hungry for long. It's right underneath the owl house.
At 8 p.m. one evening in late February, I heard a tawny owl right outside my house. A few weeks later, I decided to make another owl house to double my chances of attracting one. This time I placed it further away from houses and paths, as you could see by the location too on this map. Here you also see the location of where I put up the bat shelter. This new owl house was a much quicker and lighter build. It took around 1.5 hours to complete and I got to use some paneling wood leftovers I had from the roof of this workshop extension. I rarely throw away scraps, but if I do, I throw it into my fireplace to heat the cabin on a cold winter day. During this winter we did some maintenance on the birdhouses.
We are ready.
We are ready.
And then check it out. So then we need to fix this.
I need to fix this.
I will shoot a nail through there very quickly. Okay. Edvin, har du lyst til å skyte en? You wanna shoot, Edvin?
Nei, jeg vil ikke titte. Kan jeg?
Ja. Trykker du inn den, ikke sant?
Bringing your children in on these projects is a great way to teach and bond with your family, ensuring that the knowledge and value about the importance of nature is being moved on to the next generation.
It leaves their health.
Good. Men, så skal vi ha en til.
Gud. Dyra. Gud dårlig. Gud dårlig.
Good dårlig. Hammer time!
for tida.
Yeah, good. It's down and nede. Then we have 2 more. Her. Yep.
Bølger her.
Yeah.
Det er bølger her.
Let's start with the paint job. Paint job. Yeah, and now I set up Hedda with the base, the tar-based product, and the birdhouse is ready to get a little paint job or a base job. Yep. Are you ready, Klar? Yeah. Okay. Dip it. And then remember to hold it there, yeah? While Hedda does this, me and Edvin is gonna start on the other box, okay?
Skal du kuke?
Yes!
Skal du kuke med du? Ned. Skal du kuke med du nu?
Yeah! Okay, Edvin? Ready? Klar? You sit there, da sitter du der. And then we do this and Hedda is on the box. And what are we doing? Hva gjør vi?
Maler.
We are preparing the birdhouses or shelters for spring. Vi forbereder fuglehusene til våren vi reparerer i. So this is a swivel top type birdhouse. Okay, Edvin. Hammer time. Hold den litt lenger nede. For da får du mer kraft. Wow. Gode slag. Yep. Hvem for den?
Og det er litt teknikken min.
Okay. Birdhouse roof fixed.
Noen av denne må være en heksete. Kan du ta med hansker nå?
Yeah. I use it for mine. Fikk du noe? No, good. Okay.
Jeg kunne ha gjort det.
Ja, jeg tenker dere dra den nå. Good. Super nice. Takk da.
Bare hyggelig. Hisselig.
Okay. Thanks for homeschool. Takk for hjemmeskolen i dag.
Bare hyggelig. Jeg skjønte det. Kom igjen igjen.
You can fly down there, little boy. Woohoo! Takk for hjemmeskolen i dag.
Du kan bare fikse min.
Yeah. Yeah, I think they lasted about, I don't know, 15 minutes. But that's to be expected. as you can see, the owl house is up there that I put up last year, and now I'm gonna check it out. I bought this really long selfie pole. It's almost 5 meters. It is now at the end of March. It's around the 23rd or 21st of March. And I will check it now, and I will check it 2 weeks into April, because the owl is supposed to lay eggs around the end of March or beginning of April. And then if I find something worth filming, I will show you at the end of April. Okay? You should wear protective gear if you know there are owls around, because then they probably will attack you. But I don't think there are, so I'll just now we're gonna check out my other owl box that I made a couple of weeks ago in order to double my chances. But the truth is I don't think I'm gonna get any owls this year, but fingers crossed, there's still some time left, and we'll see what happens. I came across some tracks just 30 or 40 meters from my house, and these are right behind the owl house, and this is moose, Norwegian moose, and these are deer tracks. Yeah, my neighbor keeps feeding the deer. Maybe the moose eats down there too, who knows? But it's quite cool to have nature so close at hand. I just love it, living. And behind me is just forest. Love it. Now we go to check the second owl house. I don't see any owls. Now we still have 3 to 4 weeks left of luck to get an owl, and as I wrote in the update of the first owl house movie I did, I wrote that I heard an owl at I think it was the 27th of February. I heard it right outside my house, maybe 5 to 10 meters from where I was sitting inside, peeked out, and then I saw it take off. And then I heard it howl, another howl further down in another tree that it went to. It was really cool, and I hope that we will have a chance of getting one this year. If not, the owl houses are still up, and they will be able to receive their guests another year. But 4 weeks left before I just call this year quits, and my hopes are gone then for this year if I haven't gotten them.